I wanted to create a space, an installation that was something a little bit different, an ordinary space that typically isn't used for installations. Installation also draws focus on the space that sits between art and society.
With everything that's going on with COVID-19 and the pandemic, I thought it would be kind of cool to create something like an installation where people can go to escape from their, from reality. So when I was thinking about what to create, I was thinking of this idea of a mountain because, in Singapore you don't really find any mountains here. And I thought that creating one would be quite cool.
So 2020 has been a hard year for everyone. I think a lot of us have been put out at home during the circuit breaker, and then there is also an increase in social isolation as well as loneliness and stress. So we wanted to create something that people can come and enjoy and kind of re-inject life into their public spaces.
During the COVID period, what are some of the things that we are very, very used to? Scanning of QR code, separation of 1 meter using tapes, or when you do online shopping, you have bubble wrap. So we took these elements of what every one of us had encountered during a CB time. Instead of remaining it to be very, very a difficult time, we want to encourage everyone to come on down and celebrate the end of the year with fun, right? And that's why we titled it as Bubble Play.
Basically, the inspiration for this installation surrounds everything of Downtown East. So literally got the inspiration from the words eat, play, shop and stay. So you have all sorts of activities and shoppings and people gathering around having fun at Downtown East.
So come on down to Downtown East
And we will
see you there.
We'll see you there.
And I'll see you there.